Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to another art journal page in my fragmented journal. I was struggling with this page a little bit and I suddenly thought, if I just work in black and white, that might work out. I still want to make sure that if I want to add some color, it's gonna stick. So that's why I'm gonna use the gesso, the transparent gesso, to add a layer of gesso. So I do have some water here and a towel. I like to wet my brush before I go into, yeah, here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add, because it is this glossy paper, I want to make sure that the paint really sticks. I mean, sometimes I do it, sometimes not. It's just, it helps the paint to stick better. Gesso is a sort of a primer, and that's a transparent gesso. It looks a little bit milky right now, but it's gonna dry clear. And this part is actually a print from one of my jelly prints, and I did print it on a laser printer, which means it is a little bit glossy too, so it doesn't hurt to go over everything. Maybe I should have grabbed a protection plastic piece. Well, you know how that goes. Sometimes you just want to do it because you are afraid the idea might slip away. And no, I'm not one of the person who makes lists about pages I want to do or things, and I'm just not that kind of person, so I don't do it. So there are probably some ideas that slipped away, but as long as there are still other ones, that's fine with me. Okay, that's for the gesso. I'm gonna clean that, and I'm gonna use the heat tool to dry. Okay, that's from a French magazine, this letter, and I'm gonna leave some of the white. I did start already cutting it out, so I'm gonna leave a white border. I'm certainly gonna leave the inside here, not sure here. For the moment I just go straight and then I look what it looks like. I mean, I have anyway problems with leaving white space, so maybe that's a trick that forces me to leave some white space. I want paint everywhere. There are like two different types of people who need some white and people who need to color up everything. I think both is okay. I simply don't want that says regard de maître, also look the masters, and I just want the regard, the look from my thingy here. So I have to see what it looks like when I go something like that. Okay. Do I like it? Do I like it? Maybe if I make it a little bit rounder. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. And I think I'm gonna cut it out here. Just don't like it that way. But I do leave a white, a small white, like a millimeter white border.
I do have this rubber, which I'm probably gonna put underneath here. Yep. This one or this one? No. Maybe I'm gonna switch to this one. There's just a tiny bit of, I think it's a Jane Davenport rubber. I'm just gonna put it in here. Wasn't planned that way, but hey. Oh, you couldn't see it. I do have all my rub-ons in one sleeve, so occasionally they slip away. And I'm thinking, no, that's too big. So I'm just trying it out. Maybe I put that right into the big R. See what it looks like. I kind of like that idea, but I want to cover up that too, so I have something here then. Maybe I'm gonna paint here. I think I like that idea. Yep. Okay, I'm first gonna glue down, and I'm using simple glue stick. And I have a scratch piece of paper. And I have somewhere my glue. Here it is. That's not right. Let's see if I can remove it again. I want to cover up that part. As I said, I don't want these words here, so I'm gonna go in with some Posca pens. Now I have kind of feeling the blue is quite different, so I'm gonna repaint one of those thingies here. Which one? I think now something down here, so that it ties those two pages together. And I also want to add this green over here, so again I have to paint one of those greens in the same green. Now I don't have any pink over here, that's why I did grab my pink here, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add here a little bit of this pink so that I can add it over there. So I need to add some pink. It doesn't have to be a lot, so I'm gonna go for this small piece here. Okay, here we are. This was actually a double spread which I was looking for a long time because of those colorful blocks here. I think they are wooden blocks from what I see. And I didn't know what to do with it. Suddenly I thought, okay, if I go in with just some images in black and then tie those two pages together, that could work. So I was looking for elements until I came across this regards. I mean, it's not regards, it's regard, it's French. Look, well, actually maybe I should, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write here, look. So it really not is regards, sondern it means look. So yeah, I like that. Yep. So funny. Talking about, you get new ideas. Anyway, so that's how I do sometimes struggle with things too. It's not so that it's just like that. I sometimes have to think pretty hard until I figure out what I want to do, which is totally okay. We all need those kind of challenges. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little page and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.